Okay, so check this out. This is our SoundSkins version 3 kit. So we're going to be showing you the difference between our version 2 model and the new V3 model today. And we're going to run you through some of the differences there. So first up, let's open this. This is the old V2 rings. These actually never released in the US because of the size of them, but they were available in Canada and in Australia. So this is them here. And we're going to show you the differences. So that is the previous models. Now, keep that in mind. We'll show you some close-up comparisons as we open it. But the first step here and the main difference is going to be the packaging. So this is our new direct-to-public packaging. And because we are doing that shipping direct, it is a postage label as well. So it'll fix onto here, ship direct. Some of the times it will actually come boxed as well, just for a little bit of protection, depending on the distance it's going. Now, on these new packaging, we actually have a new QR code. So this is a cool little feature we decided to do where you could actually scan this and it goes directly to our website, and that will give you the full specs, our video DIYs, our tutorial, our instructions, and we have on there now, we have a front and side specs so you can actually see the exact sizes of all the rings, and you can actually see them in inches, imperial, or metric, depending on what country you're from. So, very, very cool. So that's on our new website, SoundSkinsGlobal.com, but this QR code, very easy to use. I mean, all the iPhones now, you can just use your camera and it scans and goes direct. So let's open it up and check out what it's going to be like. So you can pretty much open this like a bag of chips these days. It is really simple to open, and you can actually tear the top up, and there we go. Very easy to open. Now, inside, for a little bit of protection, what we actually did was we did put it in a secondary bag. So as you can see there, that is our secondary bag. And that was just to keep the rings themselves together nice and neat in the packaging when we were shipping them. And it gives a bit of, stops it getting damaged basically during shipping. So this again is going to open up from the top, and you're going to have our rings will come out like this. Now, that is the complete kit, which is actually going to come with 4 different rings. It comes with an adapter set, so 2 adapter rings, which are these ones here, and 2 of these primary rings, okay? So you're gonna get 4 rings total in every single kit. So let's show you some of the main differences here between the new and the old style. So here is the old style. Now, noticeably straight away, you can see if they're put next to each other, the height difference. And this was one of the reasons we changed the kit to make it a little bit more affordable for the shipping, because we were able to compact this down and we're actually able to keep it under 200 grams in weight. So I'm not sure what that is in pounds, sorry guys. We are in Australia and we use metric, but it is very, very light shipping, okay? So that is a very good weight. The only thing we actually changed in regards to that was the center plug. So this is the center plug here, which actually goes behind your speakers in the door. And what this does is it's an acoustic absorber. So this is a foam that sits directly behind your speaker because your speaker is so close. When a speaker produces a back sound wave, it hits this and absorbs into the material, so it doesn't bounce off your interior panel and affect and distort your speaker and the sound that's coming out. So that was the previous version. So as you can see there, it's quite thick. Now it doesn't actually need to be that thick, so we actually reduced this down and thinned it out. So you can see here, here's the 2 differences in terms of the size. We actually deleted a lot of this material out because it actually didn't need to be that big, and we found a couple of the guys on some of those thinner door trims, when their window would wind down inside the car, would actually hit this panel. So we actually thinned that out and made it a little bit thinner. So as you can see, it all packages up nice and neat. So that was the main improvement that we actually did make. We actually kept these thicknesses the same, a very thick size on the outside here. So you're actually gonna have 2 different thicknesses now in the ring, so not just the one thickness. So I believe this is about a 25 millimeter and this is about a 15 millimeter. So you can actually see the 2 size differences there. And the reason for that is because we actually made these stackable. So when you're actually using them, so let me move these old ones out of the way. When you're actually using these, and this outer ring can be used to go around your speakers to actually seal against the door trim. So this will actually direct your sound wave into the cabin and not into the cavities of the door trim. So it can either go around the face of the speaker or around the outside of the speaker, as it is very versatile. But to get the height, you're able to stack them, okay? So that's why we gave you 2 different thicknesses, so you could actually achieve an even further reach on these, okay? And these sizes, these other adapter rings which you come in the kit, so this is it here, this is what we call our adapter ring. It actually comes with various sizes, so we pre-cut this all the way down, and they go in 1/2 inch increments. So they start on the outside edge as a 6.5 inch, and they go down by 1/2 inch all the way down to half an inch. So there is a 1 inch and then 1/2 inch. Now the reason being for that is you could actually do your 6.5 inch driver or woofer in the door, you could do your mid bass driver, and you could also do your tweeter, okay? And that is vital and necessary for a lot of the component speakers out there and coaxial speakers. So you could do any type with this kit. So there you go, guys. That's virtually actually is all the new recreated kit, and we've compacted it all down to make it available to everyone. Now check out our website for the pricing on that. So it's at SoundSkinsGlobal.com, but we are shipping direct, and any orders over $40 will actually be getting free shipping. You do have a choice to choose for an express option as well, which is really cool. Everything will come with insurance, tracking numbers. It's all automated from our Hong Kong global head office now. And one of the big things with that being the $40 free shipping is that one kit is a 2-door kit. We sell a 4-door kit, which will actually allow you to do 4 speakers. So one kit itself will do 2 speakers, or a set of speakers. So you can actually get a 4-door kit, and we also sell them in bulk, which is a carton of 30. Say if you're a store and you use these on every single install, you might want to do that. We can ship that direct to you guys. But that's it, guys. So hope you like that. New improvements were made, and they're available now.